Hello everybody, my name is Scott and I'm a full-time RVer and I figured I'd show you my home. Oh, there's socks. My little road dog. Got my bamboo. You can see through the back there. Oh, that looks like the bag. Sorry, it's kind of a mess. I just moved, so I haven't really positioned everything back in place yet. Alright. So I don't know what you want to see. It's an RV. Yeah, like I said, it's a mess. My camera bag and stuff sitting there. Laptop. A little bonsai tree. Actually, just flowered. It's kind of bright, so it keeps going dark. I apologize. Just got some sage, sweetgrass. Took out the microwave, put in a convection oven. Build the housing around it. It's like a rotisserie and the whole 9 yards. I like my little magnets. Got them in Vega, Texas on my way through. Make sure you stop and see the museum. Fridge. That's where I keep stuff cold. Got my vintage artwork all over the place. It is original. Of course, one of my favorite stickers. I don't know why. I just really like it. And of course, Betty Page. Alright. Got a full glass shower. Again, well, we'll start over here. Got my Bonnie and Clyde. Some more sage. Sink. Of course. Oh, look. Does that fat make me look fat? Alright. And I did decorate my toilet. If it didn't go right, it won't be a merry day. More dream catchers. Found all those marbles metal detecting. Oh. Was my best friend Cora. She passed away. Some more artwork. I don't know if I can see it without the reflections. Definitely like vintage. Shot in the other direction. Just put a new floor in. Alright, got some more artwork. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like you can. Wolf Armstrong. A license plate. Both those from the 40s. Got this done at the slabs. Thanks to my buddy Noah and all them. Everybody signed. My little decorations. I don't really pack much. Got my native. And slippery one wet. Okay, just bought the bedspread. Liking it. Dog tore the other one. Dreamcatcher. Yes, that is prescription Coca-Cola. Alright, like I said, it's kind of a mess. I just moved, so I had to move everything around. I don't know what else to show you. Got the full 4 mirror setup here. Not that I ever use them. You can tell by the way my hair is. I'm changing the fans out. I'm going with Max Air. I got both of those. Ordered the covers just now, so get them in probably next week. I did take out the kitchenette, and I built this. So, little decorations. You notice the little black things on the bottom? Those are speakers. I have 2 there. I have 1 there. Yes, next to the toilet. I have an 8-inch sub right there. I have 2 sets of component speakers in the back cabinet, 2 facing down, 2 facing forward. Alright. I have 1-inch highs there. There. A Monster 15 under here, kind of hiding out. I have another 1-inch there. Another 1-inch over here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Another one down there. Another one down there. And more component speakers up here. There's the highs. Another component. I also have a 12 under here and 3 amps. 600 watt Alpine, 500 watt Alpine, both D class, and I also added in a 1000 watt Rockford Fosgate, BD class. So it sounds pretty good in here. I don't know what else to show you. Unless you want me to open the cupboards, feel free to ask questions. I'll show you anything you want to see. There's my one little campsite at the moment. Kind of not like in Ohio, but it is what it is. Do a nice little decoration stuff with my plant. All those are bottle tops from the 1800s. Kind of cool. Okay, I guess that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.